Hello trainees, today we are going to learn how to make glued butt joint with dowel. The objectives of this video are, after this session you'll be able to gathering equipment needed to make secret pocket screw butt joint, making the rebate butt joint, advantages and application of secret pocket screw butt joint. Let's start. Gathering equipment needed to make secret pocket screw butt joint. Wooden piece of dimension 90 mm into 20 mm into 450 mm, 2 numbers. Jack plane, pencil, T-clamp, mallet, firmer chisel, 35 mm into 8 mm screws, 3 numbers. Tri-square, ratchet brace, screwdriver, straight edge. Measuring tape. Making the secret pocket screw butt joint. Check the dimensions of the two wooden pieces and make sure that it is of the size 90 mm into 20 mm into 450 mm. If not, then plane it until we reach the required size. Mark the distances 50 mm, 225 mm and 400 mm along the gauge line, squaring the position of the screws across both pieces using a tri-square and pencil. Make 3 pilot holes of diameter 2 mm at 50, 225 and 400 mm as shown in the sketch to a depth of 25 mm using hand drill. Fix the 35 into 8 screws on the pilot hole and drive it to a depth of 25 mm on the plank using a screwdriver. The length of the screw above the wood in plank B should be slightly less than the depth of hole in A. Adjoining the hold mark for a slot of size 10 mm into 8 mm into 20 mm on the right side of the hole. Chop off the slot wood layer by layer using firmer chisel up to the required thickness. Assemble the plank so that the screw head of plank B enters the bore of plank A. Clamp parts A and B at equal levels. Tap gently the part B to the left using T-bar clamps. If both parts are in order, remove the clamp and finish the fitting. Check the flatness of the plank using the straight edge as per the drawing. Advantages of using secret pocket screw butt joint. Pocket screw joints allow for rapid and ease of assembly. Pocket screw joints are stronger than simple butt joints, so more strength and stability. An alignment clamp ensures flush joints without complex measurements. Application of secret pocket screw butt joint. Face frame construction. Table aprons. Drawer box. Utility cabinets. Wooden furniture. Let's quickly recap. To make a secret pocket screw butt joint, take 2 wooden planks. In the first wooden plank, mark them for drilling and drill pilot holes of 2 mm diameter. Insert 35 mm by 8 mm screw, driving them 25 mm deep into the plank. On the other wood, create a slot of 15 into 10 into 20 mm adjacent to the hole. Gradually chisel the slot to match the screw thickness. Place the wood with the slot onto the one with the screw. Clamp them together and use a wooden mallet to align them, and then remove the clamp and check for its flatness. Hope you understood everything taught in this session. See you in another video. Thank you and goodbye until then.